I'm Carl Bishop with New American Garden on the street in New York City. And today, I'm going to show you some dangerous gardening. Check this out. Container gardens in the middle of Park Avenue South that have to be planted and maintained, and yet there is certain death feet away from you, maybe even inches. So this is fascinating because they had to be designed in such a way to allow, of course, for traffic to pass. And with these sweet gum trees that you see here, they're trimmed as to be columns of green along this avenue. So obviously when something like this truck passes them, they don't get shaved off. They can accommodate the traffic, they're pollution tolerant, and they can be trimmed in any way and tolerate that as well. So these sweet gum trees are perfect for this application. And look at these daffodils, just gorgeous daffodils right here. This is really the only way to get some green, to get some color, to get some life, some plant life into the city and right in front of you as you do your daily thing here in New York. And this is an example of how dangerous it can get to be a gardener in New York. And thanks to the New York City Parks Department, we've got this to look at. I'm Carl Bishop with New American Garden on the street in New York City.